Welcome to our balcony stateroom room tour. Scan your card. Insert room card for electricity. Got a mirror right here. Dressing table. And I think these are the American plugs, so you gotta bring a multi-pin plug if you're a Singaporean. The usual travel adapters. Don't know. Ah, this is for the dressing table. I see. Comes with a hand sanitizer, some water, and face mask for the guests. Study chair. And when you enter to the left, this is basically the toilet door. Really cozy toilet space. You've got this semicircle cubicle, toilet bowl, mirror. Got pretty much the simple amenities as well. So it comes with your shower gel, moisturizer, shampoo, and conditioner as well. And in the toilet, in the shower, there's a 2-in-1 hair and body wash. Pretty simple, very clean toilet, I would say. So you can hang your things as well in the toilet. Yeah. This is the toilet. And right here, you have a cupboard to put your clothes. Really big space, fits our cabin bag. And a sofa bed. And right here, you have a smaller cupboard. And you have a safe for your belongings as well. And some drawers if you need. Really tiny side table right here. And you have the phone here to call the attendant if you need any help or you want to book specialty restaurant services. And here we have our bed, our king size bed, I think. Oh, so comfy. That's the view of the balcony. So here's the TV. You had to complete the safety information before you headed to your room. Really lovely bed. 2 pillows. I would say the pillows are quite soft. I guess you can call and request for more pillows if you need. Here's the view of the room from the balcony. I forgot about this area. So there's tea here. Hot water. You got your hairdryer, so you don't have to bring that. And I guess the rest are like a mini bar. Interesting. The mini bar actually comes with a lock. So it does say that this is a cooler, not a refrigerator. I don't know, you can lock your alcohol in here if you have kids, I guess. Many empty drawers. And now, let's head out to the balcony. Oops. Let's head out to the balcony. It's not a push door, it's a sliding door. Just nice for 2 of us, I guess. And we're still at the cruise center. It's about 6 p.m. Singapore time. We'll be departing at 8 p.m. Ooh, you can actually see your neighbors if you are living next to a friend. I guess you will be able to see them in their balconies. So here we are on deck 12. Pretty high up. I think the highest is 15.